Hello, I have another springtime craft for you to try with the kiddos. I've got, all you'll need is cupcake holders. I have these really nice fancy ones that kind of look like a flower to begin with. And then I had some nice green cupcake holders that were left over. And we're gonna make a nice flower out of them. So all you have to do with the cupcake holders is I took two of these pink ones and I put them in staggered so they're not lined up together, and it kind of makes it look like a flower, right? And then once that was done, then I take these green ones and I crumpled them up like this, and the kids love doing this, right? They love crumpled paper. And then you can crumple them up, about 4 or 5 of them I think it will take to fill it up. So you can crumple them. And before you're gonna stick them in there, you're actually gonna wanna take your pipe cleaner. You can pick whatever one you want. I picked a green color for the stem, but if the kids want, they can pick whatever color. And so I put it in there like that. And then I was gonna take a little bit of glue and I'm gonna put it all around the bottom in there and fill it in with some glue. And then you can take these green ones that they crumpled and stick them in there, just so that they'll stay in once it's done. You're gonna need to give it a few minutes to dry. And this will be your finished product. It's a beautiful little flower that they can have for springtime. Looks like a little tulip. I hope you enjoy.